Here we are in Boxcutter, and we are in Cut and Circle. And believe it or not, there was a time when using Circle and using Bevel would result in you losing a vertex group. And believe it or not, losing a vertex group is actually very bad. But just looking at it now, we see that losing a vertex group is an issue of the past. It's not even a thing now, but at the time of this update, it was a very serious issue because users don't completely understand why they lose their vertex groups. They only just see, I lost my vertex groups with this product and I'm now very angry about it. So for us, it was just a matter of we must resolve this vertex group issue immediately. In fact, now that we have vertex groups able to remain, we're able to use things like HardOps and pressing spacebar during bevel to jump between each bevel if we're needing to adjust each one individually. But for the most part, that is what it was all about for this update on a user level.